Hello and welcome back. Susan Zumo here, intuitive and originator of soul patterning harmonics. This morning, the Galactics had a special message about the 1111 frequency coming into the planet today. They said, "We are in a special time. Can you feel it? The frequency is tuning up. Light is increasing and flooding the planet like never before. Today is a special blessing for those tuned into light frequencies of ascension. Truly, it is a blessing for all humanity and all living creatures on the planet. For those releasing the shadows of darkness and fear, the frequency of light dancing around the earth will assist in easing the way to let go of lower energy experiences. It will wash over and through you, clearing the way for more joyful expressions of love in every action and interaction. Welcome this increase of energy into every aspect of your body and being, with the intent to be lifted even further into your soul self. Dance, sing, and play as you move through the process of clearing and being lifted up. This 1111 is given to you as a blessing from the divine, supported by your galactic brothers and sisters in the light. Connect with it, play with it, and revel in it. It's going to take you to places you've never been but always wished to go if you allow it. Allow it to resonate through you like a tuning fork that brings you up in frequency as you align with its pitch. This is your opportunity to jump into a higher octave and experience a larger playground. We welcome you. I hope your 1111 is filled with all the blessings of the universe. And until next time, I wish you many, many blessings.